and concert segment Kwadwo Cancer Lewin ye bread and penny and ase na senior man Kwadwo Cancer Lewin DJ Lewin abusua watimi release a movie a wato ne din Ibrahim Traore and ase the last hero of Africa ye de bedo ntem no most comment source ne dedican subscribe to our platform on YouTube, no follow on Facebook at Salif Abdul, TikTok at Kama Studios na fe bibia kama update bia won set maka me for mo wen ntem no mu wodi say Kwadwo Cancer Lewin abusua for the past 6 or 4 years coming at say come would call from no he has been producing movies na ene de yakoda so da ya watime release movie wato de Ibrahim Traore or the trailer na babontin Ibrahim Traore no wasada I dey slash no the to box musa abusua the last hero of Africa. Now when you look at this clothing everything in the movie shows that Kwadwo Cancer is really serious about this movie, and then this movie is not released to tarnish the image of Ibrahim Traore or to reveal some secrets about Ibrahim Traore, but to honor this young man, saying he has been doing a lot of things for his country and Africa. When you look at the things that he has been doing, he has been an inspirational leader to all the African leaders, and even the citizens in Africa in different countries. They feel like no, they need that kind of leadership. Now yankobo Kwadwo Cancer Lewin the movie abusia wadaba bontia trailer aba bontia ene Ghana fo yina obi e pa hwe ye ba wache wadwen comment section ase. Now that is the trailer of Kwadwo Cancer Lewin and Michimwa DJ Lewin abusua ne movie odaba bontia wato the Ibrahim Traore the last hero of Africa. What do you think about this movie and how is your expectation towards this movie? Say movie about bontia, how are you going to feel it? Because this is the trailer, and when you look at the premiering, the everything, the clothes and how he reacts in the movie, he feels the aggressiveness and everything is on point. I Kama Studios, anything drops on the media space, we give it to you back to back. Now, I am your favorite and youngest content creator, your youngest CEO, Sticky the Superstar, finally out.